Hey, I'm Lucy. I'm going to be doing the double Fizzle pop science experiment for you today. It's basically where you combine baking soda with some vinegar to make a acid-based reaction that kind of causes a gas, kind of like carbon dioxide, to occur like when you combine both of them. So it's going to be pretty cool. And then also you can add food coloring to make it more visual and like entertaining. So I'm going to do that too. So I already filled up each of my cups a little less than halfway with vinegar. But if you want more of a pop or bubble, you can fill it higher or lower depending on how big of a mess you want, which is why I have a tin, because it will be messy. But to get started, you're going to take a spoon, and I bought the basic food coloring kit where you get the 4 main colors, which are red, yellow, green, and blue. And I'm also going to combine some colors to make 2 extra colors, just so I have 6. But first off, I'm going to start with using green. And it says you can just add a couple drops to a spoon, so I'm going to do 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take another spoon and you're going to cover it completely with baking soda so that the color is hid and the spoon is completely full. And then all you have to do is just dump it in and mix it. So let's see what happens. See, so it overflew and really fizzled like that. Now you have a pretty bright, vibrant green color. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with yellow. So again, I'm going to put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cover it with some baking soda. And here goes yellow. The yellow, you actually saw the color when it was overflowing. So that was kind of neat. Then it makes this bright yellow color. Next color I'm going to do is red. Again, take a spoon, put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to cover it with some baking soda. And here we go with red. Red. My last color that actually comes with food coloring packages is blue. I'm going to do the same thing. New spoon. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cover it with baking soda. And time for blue. pretty blue color, really dark. Okay, so I'm done with my main colors. So now I'm going to combine red and blue to make purple. So it says I should use 5 drops of red and 15 blue. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take red. They say I should use 5 drops of red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 15 drops of blue. A lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then same thing, I'm going to cover it with baking soda completely so the color is completely covered in the spoon with that. And then I'm going to see if I can successfully make purple. I think it kind of looks like purple. Maybe like a violet, like a blue purple. Not bad though, pretty close. For my last one, I'm going to try and make a orange sunset color. So for this one, I need 17 yellow and 3 red. So, the last spoon says I need 3 red, 1, 2, 3, and 17 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's a lot. We cover it with baking soda, just like before. Let's see if this looks orange. Oh, that one was awesome. Probably the darkest one yet, and the color really came up when it was overflowing, so that's always fun. As you see, I kind of got in my hands. Made a dark orange color, like a sunset. It's probably the brightest one I got yet, so that's kind of cool. But that's it. That's the experiment. And then I read online that if you add more baking soda, it will fizzle a little bit more, but not as much as it did the first time you did it. And then also, if you add baking soda plus more vinegar, it will fizzle nearly as much as it did the first time you did it, but the color won't change unless you add more color to it because it's already pretty dark. As you can see, like all the colors are pretty dark. So that's about it. I hope you had fun watching me do this experiment. And I hope your kids or your class that you do it with really enjoys it and has a fun learning experience of how you can combine baking soda and vinegar to make a gas kind of like carbon dioxide. Thanks.